Johnny and Ginger. Tastes like Johnny. What a spice of a new year.
Everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for amazing support. And if you're new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upload. Guys, Dumi Mkokstad's wife, Dr Ziphozenkosi, has set the record straight about her 8-year-old daughter Likuwe. It all started with Instagram questions and answer game. She requested her followers to write whatever they think they know about her. Then she will respond with true or false. One of her followers said, "You have a daughter, but not with your husband." Then she responded by saying, "That is not true. Likuwe is my stepdaughter. I don't have a biological child." And guys, I assume she received a lot of that question, and she decided even to clarify on her Facebook page, and it read, "I am getting so many messages after I posted this yesterday. I don't often do this, but worry that there are some false news stories that are now circulating. I do not have a biological child of my own. I am raising my stepdaughter, my husband's child, as my own. She is my daughter." Topic closed. So guys, topic closed. But anyway, her husband's child is her child. Her fans on Facebook supported her and also advised her that she don't owe anyone any explanation. Do leave your comment, guys, below and share your opinion. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.